Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh and Wake Forest, and welcome to this episode of Tech Tip Basics. In today's episode, we're going to hop into the MLS, pull up a listing, download the disclosures, and fill those out in Docusign for our offer that we're going to be making. So let's go ahead and take a look at the MLS. I'm going to hop into a listing here that I've already picked out. I'm going to pull it up here. As you can see, this property is already contingent. This is my listing that we're looking at. Now, to pull up the documentation that is available for all agents, we're going to click the D on the MLS page. And this is going to open up our transaction desk, and this is where typically the disclosures are saved. So, the ones that I need to make my offer, I need the property disclosure and the mineral oil and gas rights mandatory disclosure statement. I'm going to go ahead and hit my shopping basket here, choose download as a zip file, and then once downloaded, I'm going to extract those two files into a file on my computer. Okay, close. Now, you should have at this point already opened up an opportunity and have Docusign up since you're working on the offer to purchase. Remember, we're making an offer here. So I'm going to hop back into Docusign. I'm going to go into my room where I'm writing up my offer. I'm going to go to my Documents tab. And in this area, I am going to drag and drop, right? I'm going to drag and drop my files here into Docusign. Notice now when I click on these PDFs that you can see that there's no fields for me to fill out. Worry not, we will do this in the envelope, okay? So I'm going to go over to the envelopes. I'm going to make a new envelope that I will call Disclosures. I'm going to choose those documents from my room docs. So we're going to choose Sycamore Hill and Mineral Oil and Gas Rights, add selected. Now, typically I tell y'all to use pre-tagged roles, but these right here are not templates. So here you would choose add recipient and then choose room participants. And in that case, I would choose the buyer. So buyer 1 here, add selected. Next, message all recipients. And now we're going to hop into the envelope. Now that we're in the envelope, let's go ahead and add some signature boxes for our client so that they can sign the disclosures. Signature box, date signed. Let's scroll down to page 2. I'm going to add an initial and a date signed for my client. I'm also going to select and copy paste these onto the next page. So copy paste, easy, and down to page 4. Similarly, copy paste. Go. Okay. Now on this page, it's going to be quite easy. I'm going to drag in my initial box, resize, copy paste here. Go ahead and bring in all the rest that I need. Easy peasy. And if you're wondering how I'm doing that, you can always right click on a box and copy paste. We're going to add a signature box and a date signed box and send that to our clients. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Best of luck to y'all. Hope that this tip is helpful. And remember that you can always come back and check out your Tech Tip Basics anytime on our YouTube channel. Have a great week.